Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you the official and safest way to share a WhatsApp account with your partner, using the Linked Devices feature. First, open WhatsApp on your primary phone. This will be the main device. Tap the three dots menu, Android, or Settings, iOS, and go to Linked Devices. Next, tap on Link a Device. This will activate your phone's camera, ready to scan a QR code. Then, on your partner's phone, they need to install WhatsApp. Instead of verifying their number, they should tap Link to Existing Account or a similar option, which will display a QR code. After that, use your primary phone to scan the QR code on your partner's phone. This will link their phone as a companion device. Now, both phones can use the same WhatsApp account simultaneously. Chats are synced end-to-end encrypted. Remember, the primary phone needs an occasional internet connection to keep the link active. This is much safer than sharing your login credentials and is the method recommended by WhatsApp. If this official method worked for you and your partner, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.